devs, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I'm a front-end developer based out of Los Angeles, and in today's video I'm continuing my series of Method Mondays where I go over every array method there is in JavaScript. Next up on the list for today, we're taking a look at pop. So let's just hop right into our editor and get right into it. Okay, so pop, all it does is remove and return the last element from an array. So right out the gate, pretty straightforward. And it does modify or mutate the original array by shortening its length by 1. And it will return undefined if called on an empty array, so something to keep in mind. So for our first example, let's pop a number from an array of numbers. We've got const numbers here, just 1, 2, 3. Take our numbers array down here and we'll just hit it with that pop method. And then let's just store this in a variable. We'll just call it last number. Now let's log that to the console and we get 3. So as described, it just removes and returns the last element from that array. Now remember, it does mutate the array, so let's confirm that by just logging numbers to the console. And you can see we're now just left with 1 and 2. So just 2 items left in that array. So just confirming that yes, it does mutate the array. Next up, let's pop a string from an array of strings. So we've got const fruits here, apple, banana, cherry. We can take fruits, hit it with our pop method. We'll just store this in a variable. We'll just call it last fruit, then log that to the console. And as expected, we just get cherry, the last item in that array. And just confirm it was mutated, we'll just log fruits to the console, and you can see we're just left with apple and banana. So again, pop is pretty straightforward. Now, what about objects? Let's look at this last example, and let's pop an object from an array of objects. So I've got const users here. We'll take users, hit it with our pop method. Let's just store this in a variable. We'll call it removed user. Then let's log that to the console. And we've got our user down here. It's just Charlie. It's the last object in that array of objects. And again, just to confirm that that array was mutated, we'll log users to the console, and you can see we're left with 2 objects left, and that is Alice and Bob. So that's really about it for pop. It's super straightforward. The best way to think about pop is to just think of the array items and that it just pops the last item off the array. But hey, that's gonna do it for this one, devs. Pop is super straightforward. I will definitely link the code down in the description, but if you found this helpful, definitely like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.